Most people learn n8n completely backwards. They install it, watch a few tutorials, build a workflow, and then wonder why everything breaks in the real world. If you have been on YouTube recently, you have probably seen titles like I built an AI employee with n8n, automate your entire business, make money while you sleep. After watching a few tutorials, you start wondering, should I actually learn anything? The answer is yes. But probably not for the reason those videos are selling. Because if you go in expecting a magic, you are going to be disappointed. If you go in understand what n8n actually is, it might become one of the most valuable tools in your developer toolkit. So before you open that canvas, watch this. Let's kill the biggest misconception first. n8n is not AI. It is also not a replacement for writing code. Think of it as the glue between different systems. You have a Gmail, you have a Slack, you have a GitHub, you have OpenAI. Normally, you will write a code that connects all of them. With n8n, you build those connections visually. Data comes in, something happens, API gets called, AI processes the result, output goes to somewhere else. That's it. That's all n8n is, workflow automation. AI is just a one possible step inside that workflow, not the whole thing. The people claiming they are build an AI employee. What they actually build is a workflow. AI receive a mail, summarize it, sends a reply. Useful? Absolutely. But AI isn't making decision on its own. The workflow is the following rules that someone designed, usually a developer. Here's where most people waste their time. They open n8n, drag some nodes, hit execute, see green check marks, and think they are done. They are not done. What they are built is a prototype, and prototypes breaks in the moment something real happens. What happens when an API returns an error? Does your workflow fail silently or does it recover? What about large data volumes, credential expiry, retry logic? None of these show up in a 10-minute tutorials. Here is what actually saves you. n8n is a visual API layer. If you don't understand REST, HTTP methods, JSON payloads, and authentication, you will get stuck constantly. The nodes abstract the syntax, they don't abstract the concepts. The expression you write inside n8n are based on a JavaScript. If you know a basic JS, you are already ahead. But if you don't, that's the worth learning first. Because n8n rewards developers who understand system, not just people who memorize the tutorials. Here's direct answer. Learn anything if you are building a side projects and want to ship fast. Learn if you are prototyping AI powered features. Learn it if you want to automate repetitive workflow without building a full backend. But not yet if you are still learning how API works. Not yet if you are early in your programming fundamentals. And definitely not if you are expecting it to replace learning how to code. Tools don't replace developers, they amplify developers who already understand the fundamentals. A few years ago, every developer was expected to know a Git. Today, Git is just a part of workflow. I think automation tools like n8n are heading in the same direction. Not because they are replace engineers, but because good engineers will know when to use them. In next video, we build your first production ready n8n workflow from trigger to AI agent to proper error handling, so you understand not just how to make it work but how to make it reliable. And drop a comment below what is the first automation you will want to build with n8n. I am genuinely curious. Subscribe to Jayvitech Studio so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.